you know what? Since yesterday, I've had this. Yesterday, in fact, past few days, I think, or whatever. But yesterday, in particular, this cute little kid, yeah, who's in school, like he's in the 12th standard, and he started a channel called the Cricket Club channel, which has basically these 10-second, 15-second, 20-second shots of, I think, clips of cricket matches. And this kid is so persistent that he's been sending me many messages on Instagram that please feature it on your page and also. I really want to say, yeah, at least just for the fact that someone set up a channel. It's been just 2 months, but I think the kid is, since he's just 16 years old, at 16 you want everything to happen very fast and very YouTube is a lambe race ka ghoda. Like you can't start a channel on Monday and expect to start making money on Tuesday. Yeah, I mean, like, it needs to build, people need to know about it, and this long duration period also gives you confidence, and you start making better and better videos. You get to know, the how you should shoot a video. I know I sound very knowledgeable, but no, yeah, it's taught me a lot. If nothing else, मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है. So do try and check out this page. Yeah, not page, it's he has a page on Instagram, and this is the Cricket Club channel. This is what it's called, and you can find it on YouTube. And the child is in the 12th standard. I choose to say child because my son is also in school. So no, a very persistent, ma'am, aapko please, can you please speak about it on on your channel, ma'am? And at like odd hours of the day also, I was like, my god. But since the child is so enthusiastic, I really want to encourage the kid. So all the best for your channel. It's called the cricket cute cricket channel, and you all can find it on YouTube. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And this kid was so cute to watch some of my videos and post a comment and all. It's really sweet when someone takes that effort. So thank you all the lovely people who post comments. It really means a lot to me. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.